in our opinion, has set a benchmark of good governance, transparency, and listening to industry as a key differentiator for fostering industrial growth. The Tata Electronics facility will have an investment of 27,000 crores and will produce 48 million chips per day. It will be the largest semiconductor chip packaging facility in this part of the world, in India and Southeast Asia, right here in Joggi Road, creating over 30,000 jobs. This facility will be a cornerstone of modern, high-tech industrialization of Northeast India, and we are committed to establish one of country's first semiconductor manufacturing clusters here in Assam. This will pave the way for us to bring and set up a cluster of small, medium, and large-size ecosystem companies. Apart from the ecosystem, this factory will bring many global companies as customers and top talent from around the world to Assam. Global customers will come from the areas of automotive, communication technology, logistics, consumer and industrial electronics, and many other sectors. The Indian design companies and product companies are looking forward to this factory to realize their dream of Make in India. I would like to say one thing very emphatically. To all of you who are present here today, it is my very humble belief that one day Tata Group has a very large, long, and significant presence spanning diverse sectors in Assam. We already employ more than 55,000 people in this state. The Tata Trust, in partnership with the government of Assam, has 17 cancer hospital network. The Tata Consumer Company has 21 TS8s and 20 tea manufacturing and packaging factories in the state. And it is committed to the success of the tea industry in the state. Tata Power already has several thousands of rooftop solar, thousands of solar pumps, and more than 300 EV charging stations in the state. TCS has its training and development center for more than 10 years and has partnered with the state of Assam for automating the state administration tax systems. Indian Hotels has a couple of hotels here and has already signed up to expand into 5 more iconic hotels. Tata Motors, Tata Steel, and all our retail companies, Westside, Chroma, Big Basket, and Titan, Tanishq, and many other stores have a very strong presence already and are growing rapidly. However, 2024 was the most defining year for our relationship between the Tata Group and the state of Assam. Our new company, Tata Electronics, announced the establishment of India's first indigenous semiconductor assembly and test facility in Joggi Road and put Assam in the map of the global semiconductor industry and supply chain. And let me tell you, this is just the beginning. The semiconductor chips are the backbone of modern society. We rarely think about chips, yet globalization as we know today would not exist without semiconductors and the electronic products that they make possible. Today, countries are recognizing how self-sufficiency in semiconductors is a matter of national security, and hence it is so critical for our country. I would like to thank our Honorable Prime Minister for his foresight and very proactive action through a semiconductor policy which I and my colleagues consider is one of the very best in the world. We are committed to fulfilling your vision, sir, of India's decade, Chips for Vikshit Bharat. In March 2024, the Honorable Prime Minister, you laid the foundation stone for this factory in Jogi Road. I am pleased to say it is progressing at breakneck speed. The record speed of progress has been made possible by the leadership of Honorable Minister Shri Ashwini Vaishnaw and the officials and secretaries from the Ministry of Electronics and IT, and the extraordinary efforts of our Chief Minister Shri Himanta Biswa Sharma ji. The spirit of one team, one dream from Government of Assam and the Tata Group enabled the progress of this project at a very fast pace. And let me also say here, Government of Assam